My name is Declan Fior. I'm currently the Uachtarán of Cumann Lucas Gael St Jude. We're situated here in Templeogue. We cater for the four codes of Gaelic football, ladies football, hurling and camogie. And we consider ourselves to be a fairly progressive club. We have in excess of 55 teams and a thriving academy. Well, several years ago we became very conscious of the rising costs, particularly energy costs, because we have a big club here. We retrofitted all our lighting and that was extremely beneficial. So when we looked at the water heating, we investigated what would be the best way of reducing our costs there. And we were obviously aware of the climate changing, and if the climate was going to become warmer, we were foolish not to avail of the energy that would generate. So we surveyed the market, and we were very impressed with the company that we chose, AEI, because they did a thorough investigation. They went up on the roof, checked out the suitability for fitting the tubes up there, came down into the plant room, saw where the hot water boiler was there and told us how they were going to interface with that boiler. Then they took away the bills for the water and for the oil, and came back and showed us where there could be significant changes and savings. AEI made a very good case for using tubes as distinct from flat panels, because the tubes were more efficient and they heated the glycol to a higher temperature and particularly worked well in cloudy conditions. We were also impressed by the fact that AEI were using Irish products. Being a GAA club, we were conscious that we'd like to support the Irish industry, and Kingspan supplied the tubes and the 1,000-litre cylinder. We needed that capacity because we have something like 50 showers. We are very happy that we went with the solar system because it achieved the objective that we set out to achieve, and that was reducing our costs. And we have been monitoring the thing now for over 6 years, and we realised that the system itself has generated the equivalent of 3,000 euros worth of energy. That has consequences as well, because it means the more that produces, the less oil we use. So I would reckon at this stage we have probably covered our initial capital costs by about 60% in the 6-year period. We have been very happy with AEI. They service the product annually, and I would say to any club or business out there who wants to install a solar system, I would highly recommend AEI, because we have been very happy with them. We've had no problems whatsoever, and any queries we've had, they've been very happy and very prompt in their solution. So we're very happy with the savings we've had, and we're very happy with them.